Hello everyone, thanks for watching Rainbow tutorial video. Today we will show you how to replace needle for Rainbow embroidery machine. For example, we replace the number 12 needle. We can lose the screw a little and then the needle can be removed. And don't lose the screw too much, otherwise needle bar will come out. And then we can find spare needle in toys kit. You can say the two sides of the needle is different. And this side, which has a groove above the needle hole, this side should be face to outside when you replace the needle. So we can install the needle on the machine like this. You can see the groove side face to outside and turn the needle to right about 15 degrees. If you don't know turn it how much, you can put a thread in the needle hole. And when you install it on machine and turn it a little, about 15 degrees. This is perfect position, and that make rotary hook be more easy to catch the thread. Okay, now we can install the new needle on the machine. And make the groove side face to outside and turn it to right about 15 degrees. And make the needle be same level with others. And then we can tie the screw by the screwdriver. After installing, we can double check it. The groove side face to outside and turn to right about 15 degrees and same level with other needles. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any question about Rainbow embroidery machine, feel free to let us know and we are glad to support you. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.